What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and set up Google Chrome on your Mac. Open up your Safari browser and here in the URL bar, simply type download Chrome. A new search will start and this Chrome download or download Chrome should be the first search result, which directs you to Google's official website. Click the download Chrome button and a new file download will start. This might take a minute depending on your internet connection. Once downloaded, you can find this file in your downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded Google Chrome.dmg file and a new window will open up. Drag and drop the Chrome icon into the Applications folder. I will not do this as Chrome is already installed on my Mac. Once this is done, simply double-click the Chrome icon. You might be prompted about opening apps downloaded from the internet. Click Open. Additionally, you might be asked some additional permissions for Chrome, such as allowing it to find devices on your local network. Once this is done, Google Chrome will open up automatically. If you want to keep the Chrome icon in your dock, then right-click Google Chrome, head to Options, and then check the Keep in Dock option. To log in, sync your bookmarks and adjust your settings, make sure Chrome is selected. Then click on Chrome in the top navigation and then Settings. Here, log in and make sure syncing is enabled. This will allow you to keep your windows open if you choose to use Google Chrome on your mobile device, for example, or to simply sync your existing bookmarks, passwords and other preferences. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.